Cold. Hello. Hey, what's up? Hello. I just woke up. It's currently 6. Nowhere near as tired as I was yesterday. I don't know if you were able to tell or not. I was yawning like crazy. Had a bunch of stretches going on. Probably gonna yawn a little bit this video as well. Mentally speaking, though, I am much more awake compared to yesterday. Let's have a little talky. We made a mistake. We made a bit of a mistake yesterday. First mistake was I woke up too early, was way too tired. Half my brain said go back to sleep, the other half said no, I need to trade. Should have listened to the first half. I decided to take a trade, and in the process of attempting to make that trade, we made a mistake. Well, as a result, we got stopped out on both the app and trading. My stop loss was up here. I take profits all the way down there. And we would not have seen that return until way over here. And this was actually, you know what? Here, let's do this. Let's go the hour because better representation, more accuracy. Get the point. Boom. We would not have seen this return until like a couple hours ago. I'd have had to hold on to that trade for hours to see a return. And we entered on this candle here. And we watched price come up, stop us out, and we failed that trade. And I reviewed the footage. We did get stopped out on both this, and I had to leave the position on the app because if I hadn't let it go, I would have lost a lot of money. So, with that being said, today I'm a little bit more awake. I got a crick in my neck keeping me awake. I've been tossing and turning all night long. I don't feel like I got any sleep, but at the same time, compared to the sleep I had the day before, where I went to sleep a second time, I feel like my brain's supercharged. I'm wide awake. And in the event I wind up feeling tired later on in this video, I'm just going to do what I did last time. I'm going to sleep. I'll wake up on a stream. I'll go to sleep again. And yeah, that's essentially what will happen. Today we're also going to do a little bit better at identifying our building blocks and having a ball while doing so. This is going to be interesting because I'm looking at this, and this. Looking at liquidity swept on this low here. We're going to do this though. We're going to reset everything. Because that is the easiest thing to do. It's just to reset, clean slate. Looks like we're going to have a bit of a tough time reading NASDAQ and this as well. That's okay. That's okay. Um, Eight. Same thing over here. We are a distance out on this one as well. I'm well aware how far we are on this one. Okay, boom. Let's go ahead and hit this first because this is where we are. Highest point on the London session is this here. Highest point, or actually the lowest point, be this right here. Is this lower? Yes, it is. And we don't care about the highs because they were surpassed by this one right here. We do care about the highs over here, though. I'm looking at this high, we can take liquidity on. We take profit on. Looking at this high here, we can take profit on. Here. This one here. Looking at this one. That is difficult to see. As a up candle, down candle, high. Yay. Let's go back up to the hour, see what's happening. Okay. No fair value up there. We had a fair value up here. This is the candle we got stopped out on. We had a fair value gap that was inverted. Boom. It said price is going to continue higher. It did. We got stopped out on that candle there. Price continued lower because everything up to this point said price was going to go lower. Everything about the candle, all the moves in this candle said price is going to continue lower. So we thought price, sure enough, went lower. But we're not focused on this. We're focused on today's moves. We have a fair value gap here. That was just inverted for a London session, right? Price shot way up here. So we have now a new price range to be looking at. This is a large price range to be looking at too. So we might actually be in this for a little bit if it decides to consolidate like it did on us the other day, because you could see we sat in that for a minute. And it wasn't until this move here that it decided to do anything. And then Tuesday came around. We were thinking it was going to go down similar to this move here. We got stopped out. So we're going to do the chart work on the Trade Locker app as well, just so we're on the same page. We're not going to take a trade. We're not going to look at this, aside from like what we think it's going to do based off this, until 8. Makes things easier for both of us. You could just watch, and I can relax. Let's do the same thing with NASDAQ. 1. Really hard to see that in. Mm-hmm. Cool. Cool. Boom. That was inverted. This says price is going to continue lower because there's no fair value gap within this. This was just closed, so there's no fair value gap here. And this is a huge fair value gap that has not been inverted yet. So for this price range, potentially, from here up, it might not continue. But that's okay. This right here says it will continue higher because it inverted this. Boom. Okay, so I think I'm wrong because we also have fair value gaps here, right? And these ones were inverted. All of these right here were inverted by this leg up. When this leg up occurred, it hit a high, was inverted on this here. And as we could see it, this candle here inverted all this. So we can't count this or this as a sign of continuation. This denied this from continuing lower. This here was going to go higher, and it did, right up until it decided to do this. And we closed below that fair value gap, making an inverse. That tells us that price doesn't want to continue higher. It wants to continue lower. So, what I think is going to happen, I think price is going to go lower. Right now, anyway. This is on the 5 minute. Let's go to the hour. Get a broader picture as to what's going on. Boom. Similar story. We had fair value gap here. Boom. And it's a little bit more spelt out. We had the fair value gap, and then it was closed above on this candle here. As a result, price is going higher, not lower. Or bigger time frames, larger time frames hold higher power. As a result, when a fair value gap is inversed, look to the side that had inversed it. Price is going to continue higher. How much higher? Don't know. That's why we marked all these, just so we're on the same page. We're a distance out from being able to trade anything at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and hop on my phone and get the chart work done on that. When I'm done, we'll be right back. Yeah. We'll check chart again. We'll pause the video. I'm going to have breakfast, and then we'll see what we can do per trade. Okay? Okay. BRB. Oops. Well, we waited. We waited and waited and waited. We had our key levels marked from the get-go. Unfortunately, we did not hit our key level at all between our market open and our 10:30 time limit. I do not want to risk my current equity or capital. I don't want to risk what I got right now on the app or TradingView. So, yeah, we're de-risking. And by de-risking, I mean we are not going to be trading today. I made this video in the hopes of making a trade. And I think I know the reason behind it. Being this right here. Just so we're on the same page. We didn't check news. But this right here is essentially what we're looking at. We have a triple red folder. By default, today's not a good day to be trading. So I'm guessing due to news bringing price up and not allowing it to hit our key level, we essentially do not have a valid point to trade on because it's just on the cards. That's completely fine with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I understand I've only really been recording for like 15 minutes. This is probably going to be the shortest video I upload to my channel. In the event you guys are regular viewers and have been seeing the content on this channel or plus, you'll notice that I changed up a little bit. Usually you'd be getting 2 videos from me a day, the first one being long, the second one being a little bit shorter. It's essentially the breakup of the longer videos that I've been doing. Yeah, I'm not going to be uploading twice to this channel anymore. What content I put here is entirely meant for me to learn from, and if I'm too busy managing this channel to really learn anything, then I'm not learning what I need to in order to bring in a paycheck. So, executive decision by me. You'll be getting 1 video a day. It'll be a video like this. It'll be uploaded pretty early on, 11 a.m., 12 a.m. It'll be done uploading around 1. And then from there, the regular upload schedule I have for Twitch VODs, or Twitch, live stream VODs, and the recordings for Orb, the gaming channel. You could see that in the description of the this video and the channel description. That schedule is not going to change because I want to get good at uploading videos to that channel specifically before I break off and do something else more so in depth. I hope y'all are ready for the live stream. Go check out the Twitch and the go check out the Twitch link. And if you guys are interested in watching uncensored content from me, be sure to check out the Patreon link as well. I haven't really posted anything to it yet. I'm working on it. There's also a Discord link in that Patreon link, so that way you guys have a safe space to chat it up while I'm away from stream, and yeah, that's a thing. But yeah, that's essentially what I'm changing. It's unfortunate we didn't take a trade today, or we didn't get to have that opportunity to take the trade today. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow. Peace out.